What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, back again with another video. I am late. I am sorry. And forgive my tardiness. I have recorded a video and I literally hated it. I can't post just for the sake of posting on time, so I didn't put it out today, you all. You can't tell what my earrings say because this is front camera, but it says hella black and hella proud, and I'm is. Okay, so I know you saw the title, and given the current climate in the world, in the black community, we are struggling. We're struggling. It's a struggle. It is hard to be black in America. It has always been hard to be black in America, but we just do it, and we continue to excel, and we continue to break down walls and break down boundaries. But at the same time, we obviously continue to make people feel uncomfortable or, I don't know, threatened. I'm confused. How? I have no idea. But listen, I know y'all come to me to laugh and to have a good time, so we not gonna go there. But what I will say is we finna do a Smokey Eye because we want all the smoke, okay? All right. I'm gonna finish this little thing by saying I don't have no answers for y'all. I don't know what to tell you to do to make this stop happening. I don't know how we can stop getting killed in the streets. What I do know is there needs to be a change. Don't know when it's gonna happen, how it's gonna happen, or who's gonna make it happen. But as of this present time, relax, let's laugh, and let's do the Smokey Eye. All right, guys, let's get into it. Thanks. Okay, so I have already done my base. I did my base off camera. Ignore this pimple, Mary Poppins. She just likes to pop up. Maybe it's stress induced. I don't know, girl, because I don't break out. Anyways, so we're going to do a Smokey Eye, and we're going to do a black Smokey Eye. Now, if you are a fair skinned person, you should probably do a dark brown Smokey Eye versus black, but because my skin is very dark, black Smokey Eyes look really good on me. And they complement my skin tone. So normally when I do eye looks, I always tell y'all to start here and work your way down. But with the Smokey Eye, we're gonna start here and work our way up. It's best for optimal blending. In my opinion, you do what you wanna do. This is how I do it. So I start off with a black color. And because I have hooded lids and they fold over, I'm gonna take the black a little higher than my actual lid. I'm into this Saharan palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm starting off with the black color, and I think it's called Chad. It could be Chad, but I figure it's Chad and not Chad. Anyways, I have already primed my lid with concealer, so we're just gonna get into it and start applying. So you can look down and just start tapping that black on your lid. Tap, 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 tap. Hey, one phone call get you wet, wet, wet. So you tap that into your lid. And you're going to go a little higher than where your crease starts. Just a little bit, because we're going to blend this out. Now, because this is the blackest black ever, this is black with any dark color, you want to be careful when you're blending, because you don't want to take it too high up, because you're gonna have a hard time when you start blending out. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, and we only took it a little bit above there. Blending is your best friend in makeup looks, period, but especially with smoky eyes, you do not want a choppy smoky. So you're gonna take your blending brush, and right over those edges, you are going to do small circles, a combination of small circles and windshield wiper motions. And I am just going right, let me lean in a little bit. I'm just going right on top of the edges of that black to blend that out, okay? So at this point, you can take a look and see if you want to take it a little bit higher. Just by me looking head on, it does look like I want to take mine a little bit higher. So I'm just going to move the brush up slightly. And it is easier to add than it is to take away. So if you do like I did, you do a little bit, you take inventory, and then you add some more, it's going to be your best bet. So now we're going to do, again, blending. So the goal of a smoky eye is so that it looks like smoke. Smoke on a pancake. Bong on the blitz. Sorry. The point of blending is to make it a gradient effect. You know what I'm saying? Because we want it to look extra smoky. Okay? So if you look now, you're like, oh, sis, that looks smoky enough, huh? Like, are we done? We aren't. We aren't. So I've blended out. So now we are done with the black shade, and we're going to start tapping into some brown. So since we went black, you're going to transition this black into a dark brown. The dark brown I'm using is out of the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. The color I'm picking up is Credit. And I'm picking Credit up on my blending brush. I'm going to tap, 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 tap Credit into my crease. Yes. And then I'm going to start blending windshield wiper motion into that black. And you want to move that up to the head of your brow, but leaving space right underneath your brow. I'd say that's pretty freaking smoky, huh? Yeah, yeah. It's too good smoky. Now, if you have a lot of lid space, you can like even pack in the browns. But, you know, I don't have that much lid space. I don't want to do the most and make it look muddy. So we'll stop there. I'm going to do my other eye, and then I'll be back. I'm now going to highlight my inner corner because I think that looks cute. So you're going to take a tiny fluffy brush like this. So I'm going to pick up Fula out of this Juvia's Place palette, the Saharan palette. And right where you see your eyes sink in right there, that's where you want to add that. And that looks a little pink, so I'm going to go into Bororo, whatever. Yeah, that's the color I was looking for. Okay, now before we clean up our under eye, we're going to do our under eye liner, and then we are going to blend that out, smoke that out with some more black and brown. So you take whatever your under eye liner is. I'm going to use a black. You can most definitely use a brown. I just like black. And I know most makeup artists will tell you like, oh, if you have small eyes, you don't want to use black to close off your lids. But I like my lids to be closed off. I like to look dark and vampy. So then I'm going to take that same shader brush we were using to apply the black. And I'm just going to go right underneath my liner and smoke it out. So now I'm going to dust off my powder. These are Socialite by Glam Galore Club. They are very dramatic. I also used Glam Galore Club's lash adhesive, and their lash adhesive is the best lash glue ever because you put it on, 15 seconds later, you can apply your lash. You don't have to blow. You don't have to sit there and wait. Like, sis, it's ready. It's ready. Oh my God. I'm not going to highlight today because Mary Poppins is going to steal the show. She's going to be shining bright like a diamond. And I don't have time for her. Like, I didn't even request for her to be here. Anyways, I'm going to highlight my nose, though, because I have to. But the last time I did a smoky eye, I did a red lip. So I think I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to line my lips with a dark brown liner. The lipstick I'm using today is Redrum by Glam Galore Club. If you are interested in any Glam Galore products, the lashes, these are Socialite, the lash glue, or the lipstick, use my coupon code GURUSB at checkout for 10% off. I am still recording. So there you have it. We want all the smoke. Smokey Eye. Comment down below if you like the look. Let me know what else you'd like to see from me. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit that bell notification, because if you don't hit the bell notification, you won't know when I upload videos. You have to search for it. So it's a process. It's a process. And I want to help you save time. So just hit the bell notification so that you can get a notification when I upload once a week. Anyways, thank y'all for joining me. I hope that I was able to bring a little joy to your life. Yeah, I don't know. Thanks. Bye.